Hello fellow growers. Today we're going to be planting this Iceberg A lettuce from Burpee. We're going to take you through the first 4 weeks of planting this seed within the AeroGarden system. We'll be looking at the progress throughout the whole process, all the way until harvest. Let's get rolling. These items will all be linked to in the description to help you get started as well. The AeroGarden grow sponges. These grow domes come with the AeroGarden. The grow baskets that we got on Amazon, and those blank labels are included. Again, these are the seeds that we are using, the Iceberg A Lettuce by Burpee, and we will plant 3 seeds. I will soak a grow sponge here and then squeeze out the excess water, and that's where we will plant these 3 seeds and increase our chances of germination. I do use tweezers to grab these very small seeds and plant each of those into the top of the grow sponge, close to the top, but at varying depths. And I've already prepared the basket with the customized label for this iceberg lettuce, and just slide that in, making sure that sticker is blocking the excess light so the light is only getting to the seeds. Alright, we have our spot picked out in the back on the right hand side, and we will place our iceberg seed there, and we will add the grow dome there to act as a mini greenhouse. With starting a new garden here, we'll do 16 milliliters of the nutrition from AeroGarden and then repeat that on day 14. We'll drop down that light to the lowest setting here and then wait a few days, hoping to meet some new friends. The neighbors here in the left garden are a bit unruly. I'm going to keep a close eye on them. We're going to quickly jump ahead to day 5 and look at that. We've already got our sprouts. Hello there. A quick jump to day 7, you see a lot more moisture in that greenhouse, and we're going to actually take that off because things are looking really good here. And time keeps on ticking. We're now on day 10. Let's take a look. Now we do see some nice growth here with some good sized leaves, but we're also seeing that discoloration on some of the edges of the leaves, which is Tipburn, which might be caused from a calcium deficiency or those lights being a little bit too intense. The roots are looking really good though, so that's a good sign. I think we will just raise the lights up a little bit over the next couple days, see if that improves things. No other lettuce variety in the garden is having this issue so far. We're going to jump ahead to day 15 here and take a look. We still see a little bit of tip burn, but it's not too bad, and the roots continue to look excellent. So we're just going to continue on with the slightly higher lights. Fast forwarding here to day 18, we're going to take another look here. I like this display showing the days like that, and you definitely see some tip burn issues still in there. And it's only on a few leaves, and it's fairly mild. So I think we're just going to continue to go on the same course we're going. And yeah, the roots look really good. This is my first time growing iceberg lettuce in the AeroGarden, so I kind of want to see how this plays out. Which takes us to day 21. Let's take another look. And here we go. We got quite a few nice looking leaves here, and we're going to do a small harvest, trying to cut these at the base close to the stalk. And you'll see a couple of these leaves will have a little bit of that tip burn on them, but it's really not too bad. There's a couple smaller leaves in the center there that are a little bit worse, and we'll just toss those. But generally, yeah, that one's a little bit of a rough one. All these outer leaves, they look pretty decent, so I'm pretty pleased with how this maintained itself. And we have a few leaves to throw into a salad after just 3 weeks. And we're here on day 24, and definitely more tip burn is developing here. It's growing well, but there's also the tip burn, so I will raise the lights up again a little bit more to try to help this out. And we move into day 28 here, and we're going to take another look. And certainly the continued issue of the tip burn is persisting. So certainly the next time I grow iceberg, I will definitely keep those lights further away from this plant. It seems like it might just be a little bit more sensitive than these other ones. I will also consider adding some CalMag as an extra supplement to help it out if it's a calcium deficiency. Normally I only do that with the tomato plants. But still getting some very nice leaves for harvesting here, and we will remove that tip burn from the salad certainly. Take a look at some of these other videos. These are some of the companions in this garden, and we would be honored if you would subscribe to our channel and even throw us a like. Thanks for watching. and be blessed.